Hey guys, my name is Shikhar, your MBA buddy. Of late, I have been following quite a few social media groups which are centered around the GMAT. And the one question that really pops out in all those groups is that, how do I start my GMAT preparation? So I thought I'll make a short video to share with you how I had started my GMAT preparation back in the time. Also, I'll tell you about the bare minimum resources that you need to hit the ground running. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First thing that I did was to research about the schools or the programs that I might be interested in. Because sometimes these schools don't actually require you to take any standardized test. Your profile is enough for them. But since I was very much fixated upon applying to the top 20 USB schools or the coveted one-year MBA programs in India, GMAT or the GRE was a necessity. Now, I could have given any of the two exams, but I was very much fixated upon giving the GMAT. And there's no particular reason for it, but I think I feared a lot about learning 1000+ words required to build a vocabulary for the GRE. After that, I spent some time reading about the exam, the eligibility criteria, the pattern of the exam, the scoring methodology, the syllabus, and so on and so forth. And in this regard, reading a few blogs and watching a few videos such as these really proved helpful. They helped me got to know about the exam in a really short duration of time. When I knew a little bit about the GMAT, I was ready to talk to a friend. So I reached out to a friend who had recently scored a 750 on the GMAT. And he shared his study plan with me and helped me get started with my preparation. First, I got hold of the official guides and the Manhattan books. Now, instead of Manhattan books, you can actually go for any of the resource that is available to you for cheap and easily. The GMAT concepts are pretty much straightforward and well defined. So I think all of the books will do justice to covering those concepts. So I used to learn the concepts from the Manhattan books, solve the exercises in it, and at the end of the book, there was a table referring the OG questions, which helped me solve the OG in a systematic and consistent manner. So when you're just starting out with your preparation, don't stress too much about what you don't have. All you need is the official guides and a book from which you can learn the concepts. Also, I would like to answer two of the most pressing questions that is very much related to how to start the GMAT preparation. First one, did I take any of the assessment tests before starting my GMAT preparation? To this, I answer it depends. For me, I would have worked hard equally in all the sections of the GMAT, irrespective of what I would have scored on the assessment test. So I kept all my official mocks for the later use because if you see, they are just 6 in numbers. And that too, you only get 2 for free. If you multiply it with the number of retakes that you can take, they are just 12 in numbers. And in the duration of 3 or 6 months or the 1 year that you are planning to prepare for, they can easily get exhausted very soon. So I kept them for the later use. And the second question that comes up all the time is, should I buy the official mocks or the third-party test series to begin with? To this, I answer no. As in when you progress in your preparation, you evaluate yourself and then load yourself with the things that you need, like the online test prep or the test series or the official mock test series or the in-person classroom programs. But to begin with, you really don't need all that stuff. Lastly, I would like to mention about the error logs. I maintained the error log pretty late in my preparation. So while you are just starting out with your preparation, don't miss out on maintaining an error log. I hope this video was helpful to you and now you can get up and get started with your GMAT preparation. I release a new video every week sharing my experiences and learning from the GMAT and the MBA admission process. So if you are new here, consider subscribing the channel. So take care and see you in my next